anybody can find a house inside a city, right? But a beautiful tract of land, beautiful house in the country, that they can see their, raising their family for the rest of their life. That's what really gets me going.
Hi, I'm Meghan Pelley with All City Real Estate. I'm here with my colleague Gabe Barrera from the Make Texas Home Group, All City Real Estate as well, at 19146 McConnell Road in Somerset, Texas.
I love this house. I think it's great for anyone that's ready to, with a work from home. You have high-speed internet out here. You can do everything you want. You live in rural, right close to San Antonio, but you can still have your farm animals. You have this beautiful house that was built 5 years ago with all these, better than builder upgrades, right? Like you have the granite countertops, you have the upgraded bathrooms, all the nice fixtures. But really, I think the draw for this house is going to be somebody that wants to live out in the country, right? You want to start either raising chickens or cattle, or this could be great for somebody who owns a business, right? Somebody who owns a trucking business or needs the space, right?
Oh yeah, I was thinking it would be perfect to have like tiny homes on it. You could lease those out. You could have other relatives on tiny homes in the property. You've got no restrictions. You can fly your flag, do your thing.
Yeah, this place is ready to move in. You can have your animals in the back. You don't have to build you don't have to build out anything, right? The structure's already here.
Yeah.
So,
and that stuff's so expensive, right?
It's very expensive.
Yeah.
It's not cheap.
Like, how much do you think it would cost to drop a cross fence of like really nice pipe fence like that?
I mean, you're probably looking $50 to $75 a foot.
Yeah, and then you've got the oversized 2-car bay.
It's a road with a lot of people that live in here, but it's a really tight community, right? They all stick together. They all help each other out. Everyone's friends with everyone, and everyone keeps and watches out for everyone's, property.
So if you're moving from another state to Texas, I recently learned something, and it was from a loan officer. He said that a lot of people, they buy their Texas house, but they buy something similar to what they had where they came from, and then maybe they're a little disappointed.
Actually, we had a set of clients that moved from California, and they wanted this lifestyle, right? So they bought a 1-acre piece of property, bought a really nice house, and then after living on it for 2 years, decided this wasn't for them, right? But it wasn't what you think, right? They actually wanted more land because they wanted more animals, and they wanted to increase the size of the goats and the chickens and the cattle that they had. So I guarantee, I tell everybody this. People laugh at me because my wife wanted chickens, and I kind of fought back against it. And now that we have them, it's a pretty big joy in my life.
Chickens are so hot right now.
And they're fun animals. I mean, I think people think that they require a lot of work and stuff, but they're not. I mean, they're just like our cat or our dog. We treat them just like that. So
you weren't stressed out about the price of eggs?
No, not at all. Not at all. We're literally just giving out eggs.
Oh, I didn't know that. Why am I just finding this out?
Yeah. Well, I'll bring them to the office.
Leah, girl, hook a sister up. If the American dream is owning a home, the Texas dream is owning land. Enjoy this beautiful land however you see fit, just 20 minutes from downtown San Antonio.